Every day, more than 1.4 million people rely on Jakarta's public transportation to go to work, school, and home. Yet, despite years of investment in public transit infrastructure, only 19% of Jakarta's residents choose public transportation as their primary mode of travel. Why is that? The problem isn't that Jakarta lacks bus, trains, or stations. The real challenge is trust. People still can't fully trust it.
Hi, I'm Michael, and here I am, one of those 1.4 million commuters. Every morning, I take the feeder bus before transferring to the MRT to get to work. Well, on paper, the journey looks simple, but in reality, it rarely goes exactly as planned. Sometimes, my feeder bus arrives later than expected. Sometimes, I miss my train by just a minute. Because of that uncertainty, I have to leave home much earlier than I actually need, and I might switch to a private vehicle soon.
From Michael's experience, we can actually see if there is a larger issue across the Jakarta's public transportation system. Today, operators collect all of the data, from the GPS, CCTV, traffic, and also the passenger movements. Yet, this data remains fragmented, making the coordination just difficult. And that is exactly why we need to build this Jakalink, an AI-powered mobility orchestration platform that transforms fragmented transportation data into one connected ecosystem.
Users can enter any origin and destination without knowing nearby station names. Jakalink then generates multiple multimodal travel options, each with key travel insights such as ETA intervals, confidence level, crowd level, and walking time. Instead of simply recommending the fastest route, Jakalink gives commuters the information they need to choose the journey that best fits their situation. Once the commuter selects a route, Jakalink provides a detailed breakdown of every transfers along the journey. This gives commuters a clear understanding of their entire journey before they depart. If Jakalink detects heavy crowding along the selected route, it alerts the commuter before the trip begins and recommends a less crowded alternative to reduce the risk of missed connections. However, a seamless commuter experience starts with a smarter decisions behind the scenes. Jakalink equips operators with an AI-powered dashboard that brings together field locations, station conditions, CCTV analysis, passenger mapping data, and traffic informations. Rather than simply displaying data, the platform transforms into actionable insights. Using our AI-powered predictions, Jakalink predicts demand surge, recommends dispatch timing, and flags corridors at risk before disruptions happen. Operators can also monitor fleet performance, station occupancy, and route cognitions in real time to make faster, data-driven decisions. Over time, the AI learns from performance data to continuously refine its recommendations.
Now, to make this possible, we built Jakalink by integrating data from Transjakarta's GTFS static, fleet GPS, and Jakalink's tap-in, tap-out passenger demand data. Using these inputs, we first construct a synthetic digital representation of the transportation network to simulate passenger flow and optimize scheduling. And on top of this, we also employ XGBoost models to predict both estimated time of arrival and vehicle crowding levels, enabling more accurate real-time transit insights. And to quantify that reliability of ETA predictions, we apply split conformal calibration, which generates statistically valid prediction intervals or confidence rate. Finally, all trained models are packaged into the Jakarta Brain Python module, allowing seamless deployment and integration into our backend services.
The impact of Jakalink extends far beyond route planning. For commuters, AI-driven travel insights transform uncertainty into confidence, making every journey easier to plan and reducing the risk of missed connections. For operators, this means fewer blind spots and faster decisions. Instead of reacting to complaints, operators can anticipate service issues before they escalate, coordinate schedules more precisely, and deploy fleets exactly where they're needed. By maximizing the value of existing transportation assets, Jakalink delivers a more cost-efficient, coordinated, and sustainable transportation system for Jakarta, one that builds public trust and encourages more people to choose public transit over private vehicles.